Hey, so if you want your documents to look clean, professional, and actually stand out, yeah, Canva Docs makes that really easy. You don't need advanced design skills or complicated tools. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to create clean and professional docs step by step. So let's get into it. First, open Canva Docs and start with a simple layout. You can use a minimal template or a blank page. Uh, the goal is to keep things uncluttered from the start. Next, organize your content with clear headings and sections. Yeah, this makes your document easy to read and understand. Now pick clean and readable fonts. Avoid using too many styles. Stick to one or two fonts for a professional look. Use a limited color palette. Yeah, too many colors can make your document look messy. Stick to neutral tones or your brand colors. Don't fill every space. Leave some breathing room. White space makes your document look cleaner and easier to read. Instead of long paragraphs, use bullet points or short sections. Yeah, it helps readers scan your content quickly. Add visuals like icons or images, but keep them minimal. Uh, just enough to support your content, not distract from it. Make sure everything is aligned properly. Text, images, and sections. Consistency is key for a professional look. Finally, review your document. Check spacing, fonts, and overall layout. Make sure everything looks clean and polished. So yeah, that's how you create clean and professional docs in Canva Docs. Keep it simple, consistent, and easy to read, and you'll get great results every time. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.